Hey everyone, and welcome back to DIY with Melissa. I, of course, am Melissa, and today we're back with this MUNBYN printer. The reason being is because I absolutely love it. I have been playing around with it a little bit, doing different stickers. They have so many templates available on their website. You really don't need to be a designer, as you can use one of their designs. More importantly, they also have a QR code generator, which I absolutely love. It allowed me to make, for instance, this sticker, which is a thank you sticker, but also the QR code to my website. I'm going to go into all of that with you in just a moment. Of course, we have labels for shipping or packing labels that can be made, and so much more. I did go through it with you all a little bit last time, but this time I want to go on the computer and show you exactly how to do these things that I'm doing. Of course, when you're turning on the printer, it's just a button at the back here that allows you to turn it on. The roll of circle stickers just goes through like this into the printer, and it prints in no time at all. I am going to show you how to grab the templates on here. So let's move over to the computer and get this started. We are back at the computer and we're just going to get right into it. Once you are in the website, you're actually going to first start off with going to munbyn.biz/403bwind. So it looks like that. Once I hit enter, we now have the ability to download the driver, which we'll just click on download here. I won't be installing the driver again because I've already done that. Here I am in the program. This is on my computer. It looks slightly different on your phone. You may have seen the video I posted a couple weeks ago. It shows you what it looks like on the phone. This is what it looks like on the computer. And if I go to editor, all of my options are here. The templates that MUNBYN provides are amazing. There are so many options that you can choose from, whether it be just for your small business or if you're creating stickers to sell, so birthday stickers, packaging, labeling stickers, whatever the case may be. So whether you're using it as your own product to use within your packages or you're using it as a product to sell for others, you have labels to choose from here within their templates. MUNBYN offers over 1,000 free templates, so you are going to have lots of options. On top of the templates that are offered, you can of course bring your own designs in. For instance, maybe creating it off Canva and bringing it in that way. As I mentioned, these are the templates here, and you can keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. There are a ton of them. And like I said, they are editable. So for instance, I'm going to bring in a tag, which is 2 by 2 inches, because that's the stickers that I have. And I'm going to grab a pink circle. This is really just to give you an idea of what your sticker is going to look like. From here, I can go back to template, and I can choose a template that I like. I can also search the templates. And let's say I wanted to go with this one. I'm going to add that into my design. Make this a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. As you can see, I can double click and edit these designs to fit my preference. And of course, the QR code, we can make QR codes within here. So on the left side, you'll see there is a barcode or QR code button. We'll click on that. And it's typically set to barcode. Barcodes will be really good to create labels for inventory. That would be a really good one. The QR code, you can put in your website that you want to create a QR code with. I'm going to choose under encoding type, QR code, put my website name in and click on done. Now this QR code will be my QR code for my website. I'm going to go ahead and delete the one that's in there, resize my new one, and add it to the space where the other one was. And I'm just using the guidelines to help me center the design, just like so. Once I'm happy with the design, I'm going to click on print. Here's where I'm going to connect my Bluetooth. So I'm going to hit confirm. My printer is sitting up here. I clicked on that and then I clicked on pair. Now our printer is connected. We have a 2 by 2 inch design with our QR code in the middle. Print quantity, however many of these you want to print. Density. Print density refers to the darkness and intensity of the printed labels. It is controlled by the heat level applied to the print head. So if you feel like your print is not coming out clean, then you can up your print density. For me, 8 was pretty good, but we'll try 11 and see what happens. And of course, speed is exactly that speed. And now I can go ahead and click on Bluetooth printing. Just showing you another angle. I'm going to click on Bluetooth printing. And there you have it. A nice clean print job. And I will show you in a second how my QR code is going to work. All right, I have my phone and I have the camera. And just like that, here is my website that's ready to open. We'll go ahead and hit finish. And that's about it. At the top here is the name of your design. So you want to go ahead and change or add something to the name or even change it. So I'll just put DIY thank you labels and I'm going to click on save. That's now saved. If I click on MUNBYN, here is my new label that I just created. And there you have it. Super simple to use on the computer or on the app, on your phone, on a tablet, whatever the case may be. Easy to print your shipping labels, just like so. And of course, your thank you labels, because it's always nice to thank somebody who supports your small business. There you have it. Until next time, I hope you have a fabulous week ahead. Don't forget to hit that bell button if you want to be notified when I post new videos. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Until next week, have a fabulous week ahead. Take care. Happy crafting. Bye now.